All right, welcome everybody to installment 1 in Crash Course 2 Welding Safety in Mr. Langdon Shop. I think safety is probably the most important thing we cover all year. You can't continue to do your job if you're injured. You're no longer valuable to your employer. You're no longer making an income if you're injured and at home. So, not to mention, you could get injured to the point of not being able to do your job anymore. So, worse yet, even killed. So, safety to me is number one priority in everything that we do. We want to do everything safely and then right and then as quick as we can. So we take safety very, very seriously in the shop, and we will cover it quite in depth. We're going to do a video series here on a number of different topics. We're going to do topics of general management, burns, fire prevention, ear and eye protection, fume extraction, electrical safety, and personal protective equipment. So as far as general safety management goes, just some basic things that we're going to do. We're going to do monthly safety meetings, and we're going to do training on each piece of equipment in the shop. Most of your employers will do safety trainings on pieces of equipment that you're going to use. Most of them will do weekly to monthly safety meetings on various topics and things that maybe have come up. Maybe they've had an increase in injuries in the shop with a specific topic, so they'll cover that. A lot of companies keep time frames, hours worked without lost time incidences through OSHA, Occupational Safety Health Administration. They really take safety seriously. Material safety data sheets are something that you can access. They're MSDS sheets for short. They have all the information, including treatment and risk factors involved with chemicals and products you're working with in your job, in your lab, and in your life, your daily life. So they will give you the information on how to treat things if you happen to, say, ingest a chemical, or all the risk factors involved with that chemical, as well as all the makeup of that chemical. Emergency phone numbers, of course, are always a good thing to know. We have 911, of course. We've all learned that one for a long time. If something major happens in the shop, we will call 911, get the squad on the way. Our other course of action in our shop are the black call buttons that are on the wall. There's one in the shop. There's one in the classroom. The one in the shop's found over by the quenching tank, up by the changing area lockers. If you press that, it will ring directly into the main office, and they will call. If we accidentally hit it, they will still send somebody down to make sure that nothing's wrong. But if you hit that, that's a direct line to the main office. Somebody will immediately pick that up. They will talk, and all you have to do is talk back and forth to them, and they can hear you over the loudspeaker. So those are our emergency phone numbers, contacts, and things. Of course, if you have any questions, just let us know. We're going to go a lot more in depth on a lot of those other topics in the following videos. But that's part one.